was getting some vibration coming from this compressor. As you can see, one of our valves is missing, okay? Got all chewed up on the piston. Let's clean that off a little bit better. Oh yeah, she's all gouged up. Yeah, this one was running. Wasn't running well. You think it took a slug of oil? Just curious. Likes to slug, take vapor and vapor only, no liquid. Looks like that bounced around in there and chattered and chewed itself up in those pistons. Cylinder walls don't seem to be too bad, but yeah, piston's chewed up. Now I gotta do the other side. There was an unloader up on here. Purpose of an unloader, it takes away that compression effect. Basically, it throttles it down, going from 6 cylinders down to 4 cylinders and vice versa. So, that's all. Really chewed up air. Had to grab some more rags. Okay guys, let's pop off the other side.